Today's topic, emotional intelligence. What do you think is emotional intelligence? Yeah. Ability to understand whose emotions, mine or yours? Both. Good, mashallah. So basically there is something that we often get to know, that is EQ, right? EQ is emotional quotient. And then there is another unit which is called IQ, the intelligence quotient. Intelligence quotient is unit understand as to how intelligent is some person. And EQ, emotional intelligence, is the ability to recognize, understand, manage, and effectively use emotions in oneself and others. This complete package is called emotional intelligence. So EQ is just a unit to measure that as to how emotionally intelligent a person is. And this is a big thing in the secular world out there. People are talking about emotional intelligence. People are doing PhDs in emotional intelligence. So just from their perspective as to what do they say, and let's understand it from Islamic perspective, being Muslims. So there are 4 components that they say are of emotional intelligence. Number 1 is self-awareness. Self-awareness. I try to understand who am I. Number 2 is called social awareness. Try to understand people around me. Number 3 is self-management. I manage my emotions. And then at the end of all of it, use all of that to manage relationships. So they say these are the 4 components of emotional intelligence. Just to briefly as to what people are saying, like what the secular world is saying. So if you talk about self-management, it says that it is the ability to manage and control one's emotions in a healthy and constructive way. It includes as to how do we handle our impulse reactions. In our brain, I don't want to get into a lot of technicalities, but brain has different components. And one of the ways that the brain is divided is that it has a reptilian brain, it has a limbic brain, and then it has a neocortex brain. So the reptilian brain that we have, which is right at the start of the spinal cord, it is impulsive. For example, if I'm driving a car and suddenly a car comes in front of me, I apply brakes. I do not think before applying brakes, do I? If I keep thinking, should I apply brakes or not? By the time that I really think and make a cognitive, decision, bang, right? I'll hit. So I impulsively apply brakes. So it's good, but it becomes bad as well. When does it become bad? When my wife pushes some buttons into me and it's an impulsive reaction. That's bad. So impulsive reactions. So self-management is to handle these impulsive reactions, the bad impulsive reactions.